In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a Wix Pro gallery in the Wix editor for an art presentation workspace. To get started, open the Wix editor in Google Chrome so you can work smoothly inside your site dashboard. Once the editor is fully loaded, head over to the left side of the screen and look for the Add Elements option. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks you can insert into your page, including images, text, layouts, and galleries. Click Add Elements, then find the Gallery section. Inside that section, choose Wix Pro Gallery and add it to your page. As soon as you place it, you'll see an image framework appear on the canvas. This gallery is especially useful for showcasing artwork because it gives you a clean professional layout and makes it easier to organize multiple pieces in one visual area. Take a moment to position it in the workspace where you want your art presentation to appear. It helps to think about how much screen space you want the gallery to take up, especially if it will be the main focus of the page. Once the gallery has been placed, click on it and select Manage Media. This is the area where you'll upload your artwork files and begin building out the content inside the gallery. Add your image files one by one or upload several at the same time, depending on how your artwork is prepared. As your files are added, make sure each piece is easy to identify so your gallery stays organized. After uploading the artwork, enter text descriptions for each image. This is an important step because descriptions give viewers context about the work they're seeing. You might use this space for titles, short explanations, or other presentation details that help support the visual experience. Keep your wording clear and consistent so the gallery feels polished and intentional. As you work, it's a good idea to preview how the gallery looks with both images and text in place. That way, you can confirm that the artwork is displaying clearly and that the descriptions are easy to read. A well-prepared gallery not only looks better, but also makes the overall presentation feel more professional and easier for visitors to explore. Once your media and descriptions are in place, your Wix Pro gallery is ready to serve as an art presentation workspace inside your site. With just these few actions, you can create a visually organized section that highlights your artwork in a clean and engaging way.